In this video, I will demonstrate quick assembly setup in SeqMan Ultra. From the DNASTAR navigator, I'm going to launch SeqMan Ultra. Select New Assembly from the left, and then select Sanger ABI de novo assembly under Molecular Biology to launch the SeqMan NGen wizard. In the Input Sequences screen, select Add and navigate to your Sanger sequence files to load them into SeqMan NGen. If you have reference-guided data, you'll be prompted to enter your reference sequence first. When you are ready to run your assembly, select Run. Your project will automatically open in SeqMan Ultra. Double-click the config name to open the alignment view. You can now view and analyze your assembly in SeqMan Ultra. SeqMan Ultra auto-generates a file name. So before you close the file, you may want to save it under a different file name and location by selecting Save As under the File menu.